Hello everyone. I believe all of you are fine with the grace of God and be safe, be at your home. We shall meet after this semester in the classroom. I will explain here vacuum cleaner word problem. In this problem, there are two rooms A and B, and there is dust in both the rooms. I am writing D for dust. Both the rooms are having dust and vacuum cleaner may be in room A. Okay, and there may be other situation. First room is A and second room is B. Dust is in both the rooms, but vacuum cleaner is in room B. Okay, so what is here? Vacuum cleaner percepts location and contains. Location, for example, A or B. Contains means whether there is dust or it's a clean. Okay, and according to the situation, it may can take some actions. It may move in left side, it may move in right side, and it may suck the dust, and it may not perform any operation. In this scenario, if vacuum cleaner is in room A, if it moves in right direction, what will happen? Vacuum cleaner will come into room B. This will be the situation. This will be the state. So, if vacuum cleaner moves in right direction, this will be the scenario. If vacuum cleaner moves in left direction, and this is the leftmost room, A is the leftmost room, so it will be in room A only. Okay, one more problem is remaining here, suck. Okay, it moving left side, in left direction means it's doing nothing. If it sucks the dust, what will happen? This will be the state in which there will be no dust in room A. Okay, and in room B there will be dust. Okay, similarly for this state, if vacuum cleaner moves in right direction, what will happen? Vacuum cleaner will come in state A. Okay, and dust is in both the rooms. If vacuum cleaner is moving in right direction and B is the rightmost room, so it will be in the same room. Okay, if vacuum cleaner sucks the dust, what will happen? Vacuum cleaner will be in room B and dust will be in room A. Okay, so this is over here. If in this situation, if vacuum cleaner moves in left direction, it will remain in this room only. If it moves in right direction, then what will happen? This is the clean room and there is dust, and vacuum cleaner will also be in this room. Okay, and this is for right direction. Okay, if here it sucks the dust, no dust is there, so it will be in this room only. It will do nothing. If it sucks and it's clean, it will do nothing. Okay, And for this situation, if it moves in left direction, it will come in this situation, in this state, and if it moves in right direction, it will remain in this room only. If it sucks the dust, what will happen? Vacuum cleaner will be here and this room will be cleaned. Okay? For this situation, if vacuum cleaner moves in left direction, right direction, it will remain in room B. If it moves in left direction, what will happen? Dust is here, vacuum cleaner is here, and this is clean. B room is clean. Okay? And if it sucks, then because it is clean. Okay? Now here, if it moves in right direction, it will go here. If it moves in left direction, it will remain in this state only. If it sucks the dust, then vacuum cleaner will remain in room A and it will be clean. Both the rooms will be clean. Okay? If this moves in left direction, it will remain here. If it sucks, then it will be in this room. If it moves in right direction, it will come here. If it moves in right direction or it sucks, it will remain in this state only. If it moves in left direction, it will go in room A. So this is the vacuum cleaner word problem transition diagram.